Welcome to AK Instrument Education. Myself Naveen, I am the mathematics mentor, and today's our session is about production of matrix, or also we can say that multiplications of matrices. So as we have discussed in our previous video, sum of the two matrices, subtraction of two matrices, and equality of two matrices. And here we will discuss now multiplications of matrix. Consider the matrices A equal to 2, 3, 1, 2. And what is the order of the matrix A? 2 by 2. Consider matrix B equal to 0, 4, minus 1, 2, and whose order is 2 by 2. Then find AB and BB. How to find AB and BA? Children, when we are multiplying two matrices, number of columns of matrix A, number of columns of first matrix, matrix A must be equal to number of columns of matrix A must be equal to number of rows of matrix B, children. See here we have two columns and here two rows. They are equal, right? Then product is existed. So let us find now A equal to, let us find first AB, A into B. What is A, children? 2, 3, 1, 2 into, what is B? B equal to 0, 4, minus 1, 2, children. So listen carefully. When we are multiplying two matrices, number of columns of matrix A must be equal to number of rows of matrix B. So when we are adding, we use it to add corresponding elements. But whereas in the multiplication, we can't multiply corresponding elements. So what to do, children? We have to multiply first row. Elements in the first row must be multiplied with the elements in the first column. Right? So listen, children, carefully. First row is 2 into first row, first element, first column, first element. 2 into 0 plus first row, second element into first column, second element. See here, 2 into 0 plus 3 into minus 1. Again, first row, second column. 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2. Now we have second row, again first column. 1 into 0 plus 2 into minus 1. Again 1 into, second row, second column. 1 into 4 plus 2 into 2. Okay, children? Once again, 2 into 0, first row, first column. 2 into 0 plus 3 into minus 1. Again, first row, second column. 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2. First row over. Now, second row, first column. 1 into 0 plus 2 into minus 1. Again, second row, second column. 1 into 4 plus 2 into 2. So 2 zeros are 0, plus into minus, 3 into 1, 3, 2 into 4, 2 4 are 8, plus 3 into 2, 3 2 are 6. Now 1 into 0, 0, plus 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Again 1 into 4, 4 plus 2 into 2, 4. Okay, children? 0 minus 3, that is equal to minus 3. 8 plus 6, 14, 0 minus 2, minus 2, 4 plus 4, 8. So this is our AB. And also they are asking to find BA. How to find BA? First we need to write the elements of matrix B, that is 0, 4, minus 1, 2 into what is A? 2, 3, 1, 2 children. See, first row, first column. Children listen carefully. First row, first column. I mean 0 into 2 plus 4 into 1. Again, first row, second column. 0 into 3 plus 4 into 2. Again, second row, first column. Minus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Again, second row, second column. Minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 2. So 0 into 2, 0 plus 4 into 1, 4. 0 into 3, 0 plus 4 into 2, 8. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2 plus 2 into 1, 2. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3 plus 2 into 2, 4. So 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus 8, 8. Minus 2 plus 2, 0. Minus 3 plus 4, 1 children. So this is our BA. Is it AB equal to BA children? AB is not equal to BA. Here AB is not equal to BA. Children, you understood how to multiply 2 by 2 matrix. Now let us see how to multiply 3 by 3 matrix. For example, consider matrix A equal to 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 1. Children, look at here. First matrix, what is the order of the matrix A? We have 3 rows and 3 columns. That is 3 by 3. What is the order of the matrix B? We have 3 rows and we have only 2 columns. Children, the important note is number of columns of matrix A must be equal to number of rows of matrix B. You can see here a number of columns are 3 and number of rows are 3. I mean, since number of columns of matrix A is equal to number of rows of matrix B, hence can we find AB? Yes, AB existed. So let us find AB. 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4 into, right? Now, children listen carefully. First row, first column. 0 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 2. Children, you understood? First row, first column. Again, first row, second column. 0 into minus 2 plus 1 into 0 plus 2 into minus 1. So first row over. Now second row. Second row, first column. 1 into 1 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into 2. Again, second row, second column. 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into 0 plus 3 into minus 1. Second row over. Now third row, first column. 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 4 into 2. Again 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into minus 1. Clear children? 0 into 1 0 plus into minus minus 1 1 ja 1 plus 2 2 ja 4. 0 into minus 2 0 plus 1 into 0 0 plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2. 1 1 ja 1 plus into minus minus 2 1 ja 2 plus 3 2 ja 6. 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into 0 0 plus into minus minus 3 1 ja 3. 2 1 ja 2 plus into minus minus plus 4 2 ja 8. 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus 3 into 0 0 plus into minus minus, that is minus 4. 4 minus 1 children, that is equal to 3, that is minus 2. 1 plus 6 7, 7 minus 2 5, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5, 2 plus 8 10, 10 minus 3 7, minus 4, that is equal to minus 8. So what is AB children? 3 minus 2 5 minus 5 7 and minus 8. Is it, can we find BA children? Can we find BA? BA means what? 1 minus 2 minus 1 0 2 minus 1. A means what? 0 1 2 1 2 3 2 3 4. Can we find BA? Does BA existed? See, number of columns of first matrix. Here number of columns are how many? Actually this order is 3 by 2 and here order is 3 by 3. Here number of columns are 2 children. Here number of rows are how many children? 3. Is it? Number of columns and number of rows are equal. Number of columns and number of rows are not equal. Then BA does not existed. If number of columns of first matrix must be equal to number of rows of second matrix, then only we can find multiplication of those two matrices. So hence BA does not exist children. AB existed because number of columns are 3, number of rows are 3, AB existed, but BA does not existed. Okay children, once if you practice number of sums, you will understand full concept, that is multiplications of matrix. Thank you children.